What's going on, guys? Back at it with another video. My name is Solomon James. As you can see, we got a toolbox for the shop. I'll get into why we got it for so cheap. We actually got it for like 75% off or something. It was originally like 1,900 bucks. We got it for $650. Brand new, not used. It's got the suction drawers. By Mac Tools, they got it for us. Yeah, so we're going to be actually fixing this today, as well as doing the rear end today. We're going to have a welder. We're going to get that tacked up, and we're going to get it down to my buddy's shop down the street, and we'll get all the brackets fully welded on, and that'll be it for the rear axle, and then on to building the rest of the truck. So, how we got it so cheap is, well, there's kind of a story to it. So the tool truck guy, Jason is his name, comes by the shop here and there, and he's like, hey, we got these toolboxes for 1,900 bucks, pretty sweet deal. And I was like, all right. So I was thinking I was gonna pick one up in like 2 months or so, and then a week passed, he came back, and I was like, so what's up with those $1,900 boxes? He's like, well, I just got one in the other day and had shipping damage on it. And I was like, well, can you sell that? Or like, what? He's like, I'm gonna contact Mac and see what I can do with that. So I was like, all right, well, let me know. I mean, I want to be the first one to look at it. So I think the following day I went over to his house, looked at it, and if you want to come take a look, this is the shipping damage. That wheel got bent a little bit in shipping, and good thing it's not the rotating one, it's the fixed wheel. So what I'm thinking we can do is flip it upside down, maybe take a slide hammer or something, straighten that wheel out, and maybe put a tack or so on this piece of metal that's bent out right here, and it should be good to go. Yeah. Slow. How should we go about this? That shit ain't fucking moving, dog. I can beat it, but then we'll never get this. Maybe
you're gonna have to beat it.
Yeah. Can't tell if it's moving or not. I don't think it is. I don't think it's moving. I mean, hell no, that shit ain't moving. Cause this shit's popped out too, down here. Bro, that shit's straight now.
I think this looks straight.
Bro, that shit's straight now, dog.
That's right.
Am I tripping or that shit's straight?
Straighter than it was before.
Dude, that shit's hella straight. Look, it knocked back in.
Oh, it did. Shit.
Hey, sledgehammer 2x4, that's all you need. Dude, just look at that. That's pretty straight. Look, stand right here and look at it. That's straight. That's hella good.
Probably took as long as to flip this shit upside down.
Dude, that's raw. And we get a little, when that welder comes, put a nice little bead right here.
See that shit up there.
And it's fucking done, dude. $650 box. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, that's straight in the Fonzie right there. Alright.
So
Hey, we got an extension cord. Dude, those fuckers. Hey, we're gonna weld this section at a time.
It's way too fucking hot.
No, I'm blowing it all the way through. Yeah. Alright, so we got it done, man. We fixed the toolbox. This $650 toolbox, we fixed it. Hell yeah, man. So now we can start loading with tools and stuff. I was kind of scared. I was kind of scared to load with tools. I feel like the wheel was just gonna snap off. All right, so now we have to take measurements for the rear end. I think we need to make sure that our 4-link bars have to be 30 1/4, and then we're gonna set an axle in the frame, and then we'll tack, and we'll go take it down to Randy's and have it welded. So it should be easy. Alright, this is way too far over. Hey, just make sure that it stays inside the bracket, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Make sure it stays in the bracket. I'm gonna push it a little bit.
Yeah, you're gonna have to do a little
Fuck it. That shit ain't moving, bro.
Yeah, it's just gonna have to like. I'm gonna.
Oh,
just tell me. Just tell me. I'll do it. And just tell me what's up.
Just tell me. Just tell me.
Yeah, and you figured it out yourself, bro.
Oh shit. Over a little more. Bring it towards you. Keep coming towards you. Keep coming towards you. Towards you. Right there. Right there. Right there. I got a little too far. That's Alright. Alright, we need to come over to my side a little more.
That way, or this way?
Over my side. That side. So now we have to make sure that our 4-link is straight. Both brackets are straight. They're not fucking like this on the fucking axle, because that wouldn't be good. You ready? Alright, so now we're gonna go to Randy's to get the rest of this stuff welded up.
It's getting serious on this track, fam.
So we got back from Randy's shop. Thank you, Randy. We'll be visiting him again shortly for the shock mounts. But come take a look at the rear end though. That shit ain't going nowhere there, buddy. Thanks again, Randy. That'll be it for this video. There will be the next video will be our shock mounts. We'll go get in the frame, powder coat, and everything. And as always, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, comment, dude. I'll comment back, man, and ask some questions. But thanks for watching, guys.